So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, guys, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments and also follow the telegram in order for you not to miss out on any single update. Once you click on that subscribe button, also click on the bell notification. So once we drop an update, instantly you would be alerted and you would be notified. So you will get that update immediately. So click on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification. Now let's see what we will be expecting for the week on our Euro JPY. So we would have to start from the higher time frame. And before you take a trade, you would want to know the trend of that your trade. That is the first thing first you would want to know. What is the trend of that trade? And as you can clearly see, Euro JPY is in an uptrend move. This is very clear that Euro JPY is trending upward. Now take a look at this movement on your weekly time frame on Euro JPY. If this is our high, this is our higher low, then an higher high, and this is our higher low. This is also the higher high, and here comes the higher low. Markets eventually pushed up again to form another higher high, and here comes the higher low. So market pushed up again to form another higher high, and here comes what? The higher low. So the higher low is still playing out on our Euro JPY, which I believe it will be over anytime soon, or possibly it is already over. So our next movement on Euro JPY is another bullish move that should be giving us a new higher high. So what you should be watching out for next on your Euro JPY is a bullish movement. You should be anticipating for a buy on your Euro JPY. Now, if you can see that on this weekly time frame now says that we are now ready for another bullish move that will form a new higher high. So a bullish move is what you should be anticipating for next on our weekly time frame. Now let's go down to the daily time frame right here. So what is it on our daily time frame also? Trend is also in an uptrend move. So we are also in an uptrend move. So if this is the high, here comes the higher low. This is also the higher high, and here comes the higher low. This is the high, and here comes the higher low. Market eventually pushed up to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low right here. So now that we've gotten this higher low, our next movement on Euro JPY is what? A new higher high. So you can see it on the weekly time frame. It says an higher high is about to be formed. On our daily time frame, it also says that we are also to be expecting a new higher high. Now let's go down to the 4 hour time frame, which we will likely going to make use of to take the trade for this week. So let's see, you can see that this is a key level here. And what is this key level? Support level. So market rejected from here. Market also rejected from this level multiple times here. This is one of the reasons why there is a double bottom here. The market also rejected from here again, and then another rejection. So what is market doing? Market is coming back again. So for Euro JPY trader, you would want to anticipate for a sell first for it to come to tap a level of your support level. So this is it right here. So expect your Euro JPY to drop a bit. See, it taps your support level. Once it taps your support level, then you can now start looking for a buy setup that will eventually give us a bullish move, right? So expect it to drop and come to tap your support level. Once it's drop and tap your support level, then you can now start looking for a buy opportunity that will eventually push up and possibly come tap our previous high or form a new higher high. So sell first, then a bullish move is what you should be anticipating for the week on Euro JPY. More updates will be covered on this. In order for you not to miss out on that update, click on that subscribe button now.